Today's video is a double unboxing. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Joyce and I post about luxury and beauty with a little bit of style and home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I hope you'll stick around. So today's video is a double unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I picked up these two items over the weekend, last weekend, Valentine's Day, and they were not on my luxury wish list. So if you watch that video, I'll put a card above so you can watch it. But if you watch that video, I kind of listed all of the different things that I wanted in 2020 and beyond. But these two things were things that I've thought about here and there, but didn't firmly put them on the wish list. And for whatever reason, I just felt like I needed it. So I'll start with this one first. This is such a cute little box too, by the way, but I already unboxed all of these on my Instagram. So if you follow me there, you'll have seen what I revealed. But the first item is a bracelet. So exciting. So look at how cute that is. I already took everything out, checked it, made sure everything was good. So this is the Essential V bracelet, and I think it is so cute. This one is made in Spain, and then it has these little notches that you kind of put your bracelet in. And this is the size 15, and I realized that not a lot of bracelets from Louis Vuitton actually come in size 15, but that's probably a good thing, so I don't buy any more. So let me show you what this looks like on. This particular one is made in Spain, and the canvas is just really flexible and comfortable. Look at that. How cute is that? I'm obsessed with it. So if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of probably saw that I revealed this on there. Also, there's a tiny little Louis Vuitton printed on the top of the V. That is so cute. And a tiny little LV in the center here. How fun. If you follow me on Insta, then you would have seen this, and I'm super excited about it. All right, and then the second item that I picked up is this little guy. I'm super excited about it too, because you guys know how much I love my current makeup bag, and it's kind of old, but you know, whatever. I'll link above the video that I made about my Toiletry 26, but this guy, I texted my sales associate just to ask her if they happened to have it, and they did. And it is the Toiletry 19. I am so excited about this. So this has the wipeable interior that's been in the toiletry bags the last few years. And look at this. It's cute. It's the size of my head. I'm so weird. But let me show you a comparison in size. So this is the Toiletry 26 and this is the Toiletry 19. And I figured since I've been loving the Toiletry 26 for so long, this Toiletry 19 would come in really handy. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put in there yet. I was thinking makeup, but who knows? I might put some planner stuff in it. I think that would be fun. Or just have it be a catch-all in my purse. I don't know. We'll see. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing slash reveal. My cute bracelet, my Toiletry 19. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to me if you want to see more luxury videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.